How to enable iMessage on iPhone 12. So if you want to start using iMessage on your iPhone 12 instead of using normal SMS, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to enable iMessage on your iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, if your iPhone is running on iOS 18, then you need to scroll down and click on apps, but on iOS 17 or earlier, you need to select the message app on settings page. For the sake of iOS 18, go ahead and click on apps and then scroll down the page to click on the messages app. So just keep scrolling on to get to messages, then go ahead and click on that. Now, once you selected that, locate iMessage under messages here, then toggle on this feature and then hang on. Then should say send and receive, no address. Just hang on and make sure your internet is turned on. After a couple of seconds, you'll see the two number of addresses you can send and receive here enabled, and then you'll see the iMessage now turned on. Once you see send and receive active here, that shows you've successfully enabled iMessage on your iPhone. Then you can come here, click on iMessage app, then you have access to all the applications that can include in your iMessage application. So see that? They can now walk through the feed and activate or deactivate what you don't want to enable on iMessage. Most importantly, just scroll down the page. Under send as SMS, make sure you turn this on so that if you're unable to send iMessage to anyone on iPhone, then you'll be able to send the message as SMS. So that is basically how to turn on or enable iMessage on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.